Una po sa ating mga balita, inaasahang mas bubuti pa ang relasyon sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at ng Hong Kong. Ito ay matapos tuluyan ng matuldukan ang usapin ng Manila hostage crisis noong 2010 na nagresulta sa pagkakatanggal ng sanctions ng Hong Kong sa Pilipinas, kabilang na ang travel alert at pagbabalik ng 14-day visa-free privilege para naman sa mga opisyal ng ating bansa. Yan ang balitang tinutukan ni Rocky Ignacio.
Asahan pa ang pagbuti ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. Masayang inanunsyo ng Malacanang ang pagbabalik sa normal ng ugnayan ng dalawang pamahalaan matapos ang pulong ni Secretary Rene Almendras sa liderato ng Hong Kong kaugnay ng 2010 Quirino Grandstand Incident. Kasama ng kalihim sa pulong si dating Pangulo at ngayon Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada.
I have just talked with Secretary Rene Almendras. He confirmed that the relationship between the Philippines and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region is now back to normal. We join the Department of Foreign Affairs in acknowledging the statement of Hong Kong Chief Executive C.Y. Leung on the complete and final resolution of the Quirino Grandstand incident of 23 August 2010 and the lifting of the sanctions. According to Secretary Almendras, Chief Executive Leung has issued a separate statement in which he thanked President Aquino and the Philippine government on this auspicious development. I have conveyed to the President the report of Secretary Almendras, and he expressed satisfaction that final closure and a mutually satisfactory conclusion has been reached.
Gitma ng palasyo, natugunan na ang usapin ng apology at pagkakalob ng tokens of solidarity sa pamilya at mga biktima ng 2010 bus hostage na nagresulta sa pag-aalis ng travel sanctions sa mga opisyal at diplomats mula sa Pilipinas.
Well, we all know the elements that were being sought for such an agreement. One was on the aspect of the government saying sorry. And I think that has been adequately addressed as proved by the fact that they have agreed that a mutually satisfactory solution has been reached. That implies that they have acknowledged that we have addressed that matter satisfactorily. The second element is the tokens of solidarity, which addresses the needs of the families.
Pinasalamatan na rin ng Malacanang si Mayor Estrada sa tulong nito para sa pagtatapos ng mahigit 3 taong usapin ng Pilipinas at Hong Kong kaugnay ng insidente sa Quirino Grandstand.
We would like to thank former President and Mayor Estrada for his initiative that has contributed to the national government's efforts to reach this desired outcome.
Ang Hong Kong ay tahanan ng mahigit 100,000 OFWs. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.